Hello students, welcome back. So today we are discussing what are the important chapters and the topics from the chemistry 12th. Okay, without wasting our time, let's move on to the video. So this is the unit 1, the solid state from the 12th chemistry. Okay, from this the important topics, okay, most important topics asked in every examination, that is first one, that is the amorphous and crystalline solids. Okay, the difference between the amorphous solid and the crystalline solid is very important, and every year it will be a very must question given. Okay, next second important, that is the classification of crystalline solids. Okay, this is the topic which crystalline solids are classified. Okay, you have to read it. Next is the what are crystal lattice, what are unit cells. This will be the asking in the examination. Next about the packing efficiency. Next is the electrical and magnetic properties is also very important, okay, in the solid state chapter. Okay, you have to read it, very easy chapter this is. No worries guys, no worries, without wasting your time, let's do it guys. And the least that is the important question here is the number of atoms in the unit cell. Least means not the least, okay, not the least, but it is also important. Number of atoms in a unit cell, it will be a problem. Okay, it will be problem, that is the problem will be asked in exam. Okay, next from the second unit, the ideal and non-ideal solution will be asked. Vapor pressure of liquid solutions, abnormal molar mass. Okay, what are molar mass, what is the formula for molar mass, you have to understand this and read it. Okay guys, next what are the colligative properties, and a determination of molar mass and types of solution is also important, but it is types of solution is the least important, so all the other topics are very important here. Next is guys the electrochemistry. In the electrochemistry guys, the important, that is the topics here. Okay, the important topics, that is very important, which is just read it and will get you mask. Okay, that is the electrochemical cell, galvanic cell, Nernst equation, and the conductance of electrolytic solutions. This is also important, but it is very important topics are the Nernst equation, galvanic cell, and electrochemical cell. Okay, read about the batteries also guys, because for your better understanding. Next read about the fuel cell. Fuel cell is also must important. Okay, very important. Next about the corrosion is also very important. Next from the fourth unit, that is the chemical kinetics. Okay, what are chemical kinetics, what are the factors influencing the rate of chemical reaction, what are the integrated rate of equation, pseudo first reaction, collision theory of chemical reactions. Okay, so these are very important, and also you have to read it, the temperature dependence of the rate of equation is also. Okay, next from the unit 5, that is surface chemistry. From this chapter, the colloids, the what are colloids, the importance of colloids, and classification of colloids, emulsion, and the catalysis are important. Next from the unit 6, that is the general principle and process of the isolation of elements, that is the occurrence of metals, concentration of ores is very important. Okay, concentration of ore, refining, oxidation and reduction, and uses of the aluminium, copper, zinc, and iron also important. And also I have forgotten to tell you guys, that is the thermodynamic principle of metallurgy and electrochemical principle of metallurgy, that both are important topics from this unit 6. and the least important, that is the occurrence of metals. Okay, you have to just concentrate on the other topics, and occurrence of metals is little important, not that much of importance. Okay, next from the unit 7, that is the p block elements, that is the group 15 elements, and phosphorus group, that is the group 16 elements, sulfur, allotropic forms, ozone, group 17, group 18, hydrogen chloride, oxides of halogen, all the topics, some important topics, group 16, group 15, group 18, group 17, these are the important topics you have to study. Next from the unit 8, that is the d and f block elements. From the d and f block elements, unit 8 is the one chapter you have to read it all, because all the important topics are here. Okay, all the important topics are here. Unit 8 is very important chapter. Next from the unit 9, that is the coordination compounds. From this is the Werner's theory of the coordination compound, definition of some important terms of pertaining to coordination compounds, nomenclature is also important, isomerism important, stability of the coordination are important, importance and applications are important.